No, 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 bitch, no. This is not Tiger King. I put on a Tiger King filter, and this is what you showed me, bitch. This, I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. This is not Tiger King. It's fuck you, fuck you.
To my YouTube channel, guys, it's time for you to take your Insta story post from mundane to total badass. First things first, we have to open Insta story for us to get started. Now, let's go, guys. Let's go. Now I'm going to open my Insta story right now. I can see my canvas. I already have a post from Founder. I'm going to use the color selector tool to literally change the background color for my canvas. So this is the tool, moving around, selecting color I want to use. I like to go with tones that are already prominent in whatever visual that I already have. I'll click that to select pattern I'm going to choose from. So I'm going to go with something bigger because using that one is not just working exactly. So something bigger that works well on my canvas. So I'm just going to use the color yellow. Then reduce it again to have black. Just splash it around and transform my particular visual from 0 to 100. Now this is the perfect heat. Next up, you're going to move into exploring all of the icons or features that Instastory already has. And by selecting the dice tool up there, you can choose from different templates on Instagram. So these are pizza toppings that ranked, quote of the day, what I'm watching. All of these features can be tweaked, turned. You can change the color, the feel, the look and feel, everything. I'm not just carrying this and putting it forward. Now, when it comes to Instastory, I know a lot of people already have or know how to use Instastory totally well, but there are people who just struggle with it, and this is what I'm trying to help you with. Just using very, very small details to just transform your Insta stories. That's all. Now I'm going to explore this particular GIF tool. So I'm just going to click something. It can be anything that you want to use. Just search for it. Use particular SEOs. Just search for particular keywords. Find the GIF that works well for you. This particular one with the excited kid works totally well for me. So I'm going to be using this particular one to drive my message. So I'm going to select this, then type what I want to use. Remember, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. It's going to help with the algorithm so that YouTube can recommend my videos to people. So please like and subscribe. Yeah. So after typing this, I'm going to reduce the font because it's kind of looking tacky. So I want it to look very, very professional, precise, and not too overwhelming. So I'm going to reduce the font so it is one line, arrange it, and this is it, and we are done. We're moving now to one of my most favorite tools. This is using the eraser tool. So by doing this, I'm going to go to my image, select a video. It can be any video. Click the color icon, transform my whole page to a blank canvas. Delete that because we don't need it at all. Then we're going to take our eraser tool, reduce it, and write something that we want to express today. Today I'm going to be saying, "Good morning, world. How are you doing?" Okay? So I'm going to be using this one and using good morning. I love how it's moving in the background. It can literally be anything. I've silenced the video so you cannot hear anything. I'm now going to splash a bit of color around my visual to give it life, to give it breath. I'm saying good morning. So I want people to feel that energy, the movement, the vibration of what a morning should feel like. Having done that, I'm just going to select the tool again. Then by just clicking that, it just brings up most of the icons that are trending now. I'm going to use this swirly image of this really excited animation to drive my message. Then I'm going to go to music. Music for me is core when it comes to Insta stories. I love to use music to explore. Sometimes I use music that I really don't know, haven't heard before. But today I'm going to be using Good Morning by P Diddy. Hello, good morning, and I'm going to be using that for my particular video of Instastory post. This particular song is really, really nice. Before you choose any song, you want to first listen to it to ensure that that is what you're looking for. Yeah, then you can change it by pressing that tool and download it also if you want to save it for later. And this is it. This is our final image. I'm feeling this. Next up, we are going to use how to explore or use images. So I'm going to share this particular beautiful post and transform this page to something very, very subtle. All of these things I'm doing is something subtle, something minimalistic, not too forceful, and just for anybody. They are very, very basic tools or items that you can use and transform your image from 0 to 100, from mundane to absolute bad. So like before, I'm going to be selecting a color or a tone from the canvas itself and applying it on the background to give it a holistic look. When I'm done with that, I'm just going to search the GIF area and find something, earthy, growing, windy to help bring some jazz to my Insta story. Okay, so now I'm going to just type leaves right here and just search for something that I like or something that expresses or shows what I'm trying, what I feel or trying to explore or express with my image. So I'm going to go with this wiggly leaf here, and just put it in two sides. I want to try as much as possible not to make it have any particular, to be too close to the main subject, just for it to be distracting enough but not in your face. Yes, so I'm going to just make it it's there but it's not there, just something breezy and airy. Then now it's time for me to type something. So because I'm going to just look for congratulations written and find something playful that I can work with. So I'm using this, but when I used it here, I didn't really like it, so I'm deleting that and just drawing something. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. Please like and subscribe. I tried writing this down, but it wasn't working. Then I tried doing that was just tacky. So I decided to do my default mode when it comes to creating. Just drawing lines here and there, bringing back the celebration, putting it here and above, just to add the beauty, essence, extravagance of my post. And that is how I'm able to transform. And just like that, your image is transformed. Wow. Like I said earlier, music is core for me, and Ed Sheeran's Perfect goes with anything. So with that, I'm going to use Ed Sheeran's Perfect to create that exotic essence or beauty, to add that beauty, to add that pizzazz to my Insta story post. And that's it. And we are done. Just like that, straightforward, no time, we are done. Next thing, we are now going to explore some of the features and how to make it our own. Now with what I'm watching now, I'm going to be doing House of Flowers, available on Netflix. It's a Spanish telenovela, very, very exciting. I finished it, it's really nice. It was inspired by Desperate Housewives, So I'm going to be searching for Netflix, using this moving image. I love moving images. Take this same eraser tool again, transform it from black, then erase it so that it just calls out what I want people to see. Then go back to the search icon and type flowers or House of Flowers. I was actually expecting gifts of the actual actors of the program, but I didn't get anyone, so I'm just going to be using actual flowers to just jazz up the whole space. I'm going to be pouring out, fertilizing my whole canvas with moving flowers, just to bring out that essence of House of Flowers, give it that exciting twist. I'm not just make it bland. I'm not bland. I'm not a bland person. I don't like bland. I love really loud, extravagant, exciting, cool, colorful, all over the place kind of visual. So I'm going to be splashing it everywhere, ensuring that I'm covering up all of the key places, the dark side, the dark tones, to give it a more interesting look and feel. Okay, so you're no longer boring. There are a lot of tools that you can use and explore. Even there are also apps that can help you elevate it, but sometimes you really don't have that time. You just want something that is like this, that just immediately transforms your video, and we're done. Now I'm going to show you how to change this color, because sometimes using bold colors are not just my thing. So by clicking on this color icon, you can transform your canvas to any color you like. I'm really feeling this black and white, or this extremely gray tone, so I'm going to be exploring it. It is music that I'm really feeling now, and Love featuring BTS, who is one of my best. I love all of his songs are so nice. I have been listening to it all day. It's absolutely divine. It is what has helped get me through quarantine. Love, thank you so much, Love. So I'm just going to be using this. I saw it on the search bar and I feel it's really nice. So I'm going to be splashing it very subtly on my canvas, just to give it a different twist to it. Then the music is going to play in the background and everybody's going to just fall in love. It's different, it's unique, it's nice, it's breathable, not too forceful. And by dragging the icon up and down, you can position your text or whatever you want to position in the right way and manner. And yeah, and just like that, guys, we are done and good to go. Next, we're going to explore quote of the day. So that is love yourself there. Clicking grow through what you go through. That's nice. I'm going to be using this to here, and on the other side, just to give it a bit of personality and movement. Like I said earlier, I don't like blank. So this literally just helps transform your visual from 0 to 100. So you're not just putting out text anywhere without no effort at all. It's just really beautiful and really nice. So Karol G's Ocean is really one of my other favorite songs that I really like now. So I'm just using this. But like by clicking that icon, you can choose whatever format that you want, and the other icon by the side is for selecting color palettes that you want to choose from. When you're done choosing or selecting whatever palette that works best for you, select it, reduce it. If it doesn't work, you can change it. You can always change it. Nothing is ever stuck in stone. Change it to something more realistic in the color, whatever you want. Then take it far away from your page so you can explore and enjoy the visual. And just like that, we are done. Just like that, we are done. Remember, guys, please like and subscribe. Please subscribe, and please like. Thank you so much. Now we're getting something more interesting. Now, using quotes more often, we want to explore more ways to use quotes. So I already have something I like, sharing it on my post, reducing it to the side. You don't always need to put it at the center. You can put it anywhere as long as it is well arranged. I'm going to just type this particular text. Click the text icon to change the font size. Yeah, send it to the end, and it is beautiful. It's very minimalistic, it's nice, it's beautiful, it's there, and we are done. Finally, you can decide to twist the neck of your followers by transforming or changing the positioning of your quote. There is no hard or fast rule to whether it can work or not. You can do this. Really exciting. Use the color tool to add a bit of drama to your page, and you're good to go. If you want to go the extra mile, you can add music and you're fine. Another thing to do also is to use dots. I am trypophobic, so I'm not really this is not one of the things, my go-to thing to do. But if you are not, or if it's something that you're really you like, you can try and do this, but this is not one of my favorites. So just put a lot of dots and colors and try and change the colors, and yeah, and just like that we are done. A bit of color and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe. If you have anything that you want me to add to my videos, please leave a comment down below and let me know. If there's something that you want me to vlog about, to create, please guys, let me know. I am here to be of service to you. I love sharing content, and if it is helpful for people, I am down for it. I love to go straight to the matter. So please guys, like, subscribe, share and recommend your friends. Let me know how well this video did. And please, this is not for pros, this is just for amateurs or people beginner level, people who don't literally have the time to go hard with their Instastories but still want to give it a bit of juice. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe and like.